If you've ever worked on a construction project, you already know how small mistakes can turn into big problems. A line that looks straight at first, a measurement that feels accurate, a layout that seems perfectly aligned, but then something goes wrong, and suddenly everything is off. Tiles don't match, walls don't align, ceilings look uneven, and the worst part, you don't notice it until the job is already done. At that point, fixing the problem doesn't just cost time, it costs money, it costs effort, and sometimes it costs your reputation. That's why professionals don't rely on guesswork, they rely on precision tools. Tools that eliminate human error, tools that give you confidence in every measurement. And in today's construction world, one tool has become absolutely essential for precision work: laser levels. But here's the real question. Do you really need to spend a fortune on high-end laser levels to get professional results? Or is there a tool that delivers powerful performance without the premium price tag? That's exactly what we're going to find out today. Because in this video, we're taking a deep dive into a tool that has been getting serious attention from contractors and builders, the Spectra Precision LT58G. We're going to test its performance. We're going to analyze its accuracy. We're going to see how it performs in real job site conditions, and most importantly, we're going to answer one simple question: is it worth your money? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about real-world construction tools, job site equipment, and honest reviews. We don't just talk about specifications, we focus on how tools actually perform where it matters most, on real job sites. Because at the end of the day, specs don't build projects, performance does. The right tool can completely change the way you work. It can save you hours of time. It can reduce costly mistakes, and it can improve the overall quality of your work. That's why choosing the right laser level is so important. Before laser levels became common, contractors relied on traditional methods like bubble levels, chalk lines, and manual measurements. These methods worked, but they were slow. They required constant checking, and they increased the chances of human error. Today, laser levels have completely changed that process. With a single setup, you can project perfectly straight lines across an entire space. That means faster workflow, better alignment, and more professional results. But not all laser levels are built the same. Some are designed for basic use. Others are built for professional-grade performance. And that's where the Spectra Precision LT58G enters the conversation. Before we dive deeper into this review, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're serious about construction, tools, and job site efficiency, this channel is built for you. We regularly test and review laser levels, power tools, construction equipment, job site gear, and we focus on one thing above everything else: real performance. No hype, no marketing tricks, just honest, practical insights that help you choose the right tools. Because the truth is simple: the wrong tool can slow you down, it can create errors, and it can cost you money. But the right tool, it can completely transform your workflow. It can make your work faster, cleaner, more accurate, and more professional. So if you want to stay ahead and use tools that actually improve your work, hit that subscribe button and make sure notifications are turned on, because we've got more in-depth reviews coming. Now let's get into the real breakdown of the Spectra Precision LT58G. When it comes to professional construction tools, build quality is one of the most important factors to consider. A tool might perform well in controlled conditions, but real job site environments are far from ideal. Tools are constantly exposed to dust, vibrations, accidental drops, and rough handling. The Spectra Precision LT58G is clearly designed with these conditions in mind. From the moment you hold it, the tool feels solid and well built. It has a rugged outer housing that provides a strong layer of protection against impacts. This is especially important for contractors who move frequently between different work areas. The body design also includes protective rubber sections that help absorb shocks. While no tool is completely drop-proof, this level of protection adds confidence when working in active environments. Another key aspect of build quality is stability. When placed on a tripod or flat surface, the LT58G remains firm and balanced. This is critical because even small vibrations can affect laser accuracy. The control layout is simple and practical. Buttons are easy to access and clearly labeled, allowing users to switch modes quickly without confusion. Overall, the build quality reflects a professional-grade tool designed for reliability and long-term use. The core strength of any laser level lies in its laser technology. The LT58G uses green laser beams, which are significantly brighter than traditional red lasers. This increased brightness is not just a marketing feature, it has a real impact on performance. In bright indoor environments, green lasers remain visible over longer distances, making them easier to follow. The LT58G projects multiple laser lines, creating a grid-like reference system. This allows contractors to align walls, ceilings, and floors with precision. The lines themselves are sharp and well-defined. This clarity reduces guesswork and improves overall accuracy. Another important advantage is consistency. The laser maintains stable brightness and alignment, which is essential for professional work. In real-world use, the green laser technology provides a clear advantage, especially in environments where visibility is critical. Visibility plays a major role in how effective a laser level is. Even the most accurate tool becomes difficult to use if the laser lines are hard to see. The LT58G performs well in indoor lighting conditions. Whether you're working in a residential space or a commercial environment, the green laser lines remain clearly visible. This makes it easier to work quickly without constantly adjusting lighting or repositioning the tool. In larger rooms, the brightness of the laser helps maintain visibility across longer distances. This is especially useful for tasks like ceiling installation and wall alignment. However, like most laser levels, visibility may decrease in direct sunlight. This is not a limitation specific to this model, but a general characteristic of laser tools. For indoor use, which is its primary purpose, the visibility is more than sufficient. One of the most valuable features of the LT58G is its self-leveling system. This feature automatically adjusts the laser lines to ensure they are perfectly level. Once the tool is placed on a surface, the internal mechanism quickly stabilizes the lines. This eliminates the need for manual adjustments. If the tool is placed on a surface that exceeds its leveling range, the laser will alert the user. This prevents incorrect measurements and reduces the risk of errors. This feature is especially helpful for beginners, as it simplifies the setup process. For professionals, it saves time and improves efficiency. Accuracy is the most critical aspect of any laser level. Even a small deviation can affect the final result of a project. The LT58G delivers consistent accuracy across typical working distances. The laser lines remain stable and reliable, which is essential for precision work. In practical applications, the tool performs well for tasks like wall alignment, ceiling installation, and layout marking. The combination of stable projection and self-leveling ensures that users can trust the tool during operation. Real performance is tested on actual job sites. The LT58G is designed to handle everyday construction tasks efficiently. Contractors can use it for ceiling grids, wall layouts, and tile alignment. The multi-line projection system provides a clear reference for complex setups. This reduces the need for repeated measurements and speeds up workflow. For ceiling installation, the LT58G provides a clear horizontal reference line. This helps to ensure that ceiling grids are perfectly aligned. This is especially important in commercial construction, where precision is critical. Vertical laser lines help align walls and partitions. This ensures that framing is straight and consistent. Accurate wall alignment improves both structural quality and visual appearance. Tile installation requires precision. The LT58G provides clear reference lines that help maintain straight rows. This results in a clean and professional finish. The LT58G offers several advantages: bright green laser, strong build quality, accurate self-leveling, multi-line projection, reliable performance. These features make it suitable for professional use. There are a few limitations: higher price compared to basic models, limited outdoor visibility, slight learning curve. However, these are expected for tools in this category. So, is the Spectra Precision LT58G worth it? For professionals, the answer is yes. It offers a combination of durability, accuracy, and performance. If you need a reliable laser level for serious work, this tool is a strong option. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe. We bring professional tool reviews and real job site testing. Thanks for watching.